What's up guys, Malik here and welcome back to my channel. I don't have any video today because the video is lagging my computer for some reason, so I definitely need a new computer. Preferably a Alienware, not a MacBook, a Alienware. I think a Alienware would handle all of my streaming, processing and recording needs. I'm thinking I'm gonna get that soon. But I'm gonna be showing you all of my trades today on the NASDAQ 100. I made a bunch of trades. It actually turned out to be mostly losers. The ones that win actually it cleared up all of my losses. So I was basically at break even, I would say, for the day. But overall, I believe I traded too much, and also I just didn't have the right setups because I didn't have my zones drawn out well. So when the market actually started to trade, it was just like we were up in the air. We were a bit off of my zone. So it was hard kind of trading it because I'm trying to trade it toward my zone and it's like rejecting on a different zone, right? Well, I'll be showing you the trades and we kind of get a run through and see what really happened today, right? So the first trade, and I'm gonna actually take it back to yesterday because I did a trade yesterday at what's this? This is at 9 p.m. right? So if we take it back to yesterday and we look at 9 p.m. yesterday, Sunday at 9 p.m. Sunday at 9, that would have been like 21. Is it 21 flat? It's 9:30, so 21:15. This one. Sweet. So I entered here trying to take it to the downside back into the zone. Let me show you real quick. That's at 14,585.7. So this is where I entered, and I found that using this brokerage, it actually gives me very accurate charts. So I'm gonna be using this one for the rest of the time. So I entered here at 14,585.7 with my stop loss. I mean, you could have a stop loss up here, which would have been, or even here, which would have been a max risk of 15. And I'm trying to take it down to 14,531, which is like a max profit of probably 70 thereabout. Just quick math, right? It's just managing your risk essentially. That's what I believe trading is mainly. So I entered there. And then I got stopped out on the next hour. So 22 flat. So the 22 flat is what hit me out. So 22 here. That's when we had a big push to the upside. So I got closed out at, so we're looking at this one at 14,595.5. So this is where I got stopped out. So I entered to take it to the downside. I got stopped out here. Total loss on that trade was $9.80. You see my max risk there, $9.08 to make a possible $100, right? It didn't play out, yes, but that's how I like my risk to be more, right? So this trade now coming into this morning was a trade at 6:15 a.m. right? So 6:15, let's see what was happening. 6:15, and then I entered at 14,604, 604.3. So again, I'm trying to take it back down to my zone, not even realizing that this now is a zone. This whole thing right now is a zone. That's why the market is rejecting off of that zone, but it's also bouncing off of the zone, right? So this whole right here became a new demand zone, a part that the market is definitely buying up. But we have big news tomorrow, so it's also a mixed bag, I would say. So I entered here to the downside. at 6:23, and then what happened here? I think I got stopped out at 7:05. So let's see, 7:05 would be a part of the 7 o'clock candle, and then the figure that I got stopped out would have been 14,625 flat. Right, so I entered here to the downside, got stopped out there for a total loss of $8.20. So you see, trying to keep my risk a bit lower, and I hope that people actually ask some questions so we can just share some knowledge and just get better at what's going on, right? So we move now to the 8 o'clock candle because I'm looking at this one. So this one was a win, but it's a win of 60 cents. So it was just a tight. I just wanted to get out of it so I could at least break even. You know, I could see that it was about to reverse again. The market was so choppy today. Market was so choppy that like you didn't have much plays until you got that upside move. You didn't have much play. So this one was I was also a sell. And then on the 8:30, the 8:30 is what damaged me. The 8:30 was a huge reversal. It wasn't what I'm used to. 8:30, no, 6. So this one 27.2. 627.2. This is where I got stopped out. And then I actually entered, where did I enter? On the 8 o'clock candle. No, this is 8. And then I got stopped out at 8:30. And that's this one. 8:30. 14,627.2. So this is basically where, oh, that's why I'm not seeing it, because it's so close together that it's hard to see. So 3 of the lines are right here. So that was this trade. So loser, loser, loser. 3 losers already, 1 winner, but you can't consider this a winner, right? And then this one now, I entered this one at 9:30. Let's check out the 9:30 candle. 9:30 candle here at 14,607. 607.6. So we're looking, this is the 9:30 candle, and where did I take it? More to the downside again. And then I got stopped out on the 9:45 candle, which is the next candle over, at, let's check it out, 14,637. 14,637 flat. That's where I got stopped out. Wow. 9, what's this? 9:45, right? 9:45. 14,637. See, this is what I don't like, when it's just way above it like that, huh? Because this one is a 9:30 and this is the 9:45. It seems like it is either it came all the way up here or I closed it and there was just some slippage that made it look like the price was actually here when it wasn't, right? But this is around where I had my stop loss, and the market definitely did come up there and touch it before coming right back down and then pushing all the way up. You see, it's like, and this would have destroyed you if you didn't get in. That would have destroyed you regardless. Even if you were long on the day, you would have been destroyed. You'd have been destroyed unless you had a what $80 stop loss, right, to make what 150. Today was not a good day to trade, honestly. Not a good day to trade at all. So you see, that's where I entered and exited, and then entered another trade here at 14,611. 14,611.6. So I entered here again to the sell side, right? And then got stopped out at the next candle over. So that was the 10:45. That big wick in that big wick is what hit me out. Let's see. 14,641.3. So entered here to the downside at 14,611.6, and then I got stopped out there. So you see the average losses is like 20, 13. I guess 30 would be the highest. And then we go from there, right? So I took it to the downside again, thinking I was able to play it down to the zone, but I didn't even realize that I'm playing off of a zone right here, right? So this was the trade for a loss of 13, and then I actually had a trade running from 9 o'clock. Let's move to that. I had a trade running from 9 o'clock, but I had a smaller size position, I think, or was it a better entry? One of them was a better entry. So I entered here to the downside, so I was definitely up at some point until it came right back up and knocked me out at 14,643.2. 14,643.2. So that was a total loss of $18, right? I think we did all of these, and then we have like 2 profits at the end of the day. This one actually had my take profit too close, so it just hit me out quickly, and I was a little pissed about that, but shit happens, you know. So at 11:30 now is when we had that big bullish engulfing candle. So it seemed like there was a change in like structure. So I don't know if structure is the right word, but there was a change in like market sentiment. Like we were about to start pushing now, right? And it actually broke the daily high. Because when the market opened, this was the highest it went and this was the lowest. And as soon as it broke that, I was like, yeah, I'm taking it to the upside, right? So on 11:30, I entered at 14,648.3. And then when my take profit was hit, it actually was hit at 115. Let's see, 115. So my take profit was actually hit on that trade for a total profit of 813. So I got this move from here to here for 813. And then for the larger trade, I think I just probably entered this trade probably quickly. So I entered here on the same 11:30 candle, and then I actually closed it on the 3:11 candle, which was, it was like on here. We had a minor dump before running up again, so I could have made a little bit more money on it. However, you can't win them all, you know. You're not gonna hit it perfect every single time. So this is where I entered to the upside. I got this entire move here for a total profit of 86.17. And let's actually just look at something, huh? Let's see. I'm thinking I ended the day break even at least. So let's look. 612 minus 9.8. Okay. Minus 14.49. Okay. Minus 8.2. Right? Minus 29.4. Right? Then minus 20. Ooh, let's start off. 9.8. Ooh. Minus 9.8. right? Minus 14.49 minus 8.2 plus 0.6 minus 29.4 minus 20.79, not break even, minus 13.02 minus 8.19, 103, and then we do this plus 86 plus 8. So I actually lost $9 today. So I'm going to just reduce the amount of trades tomorrow and we'll see how we trade from there. I'm actually going to drop some better zones so I can actually be able to trade them. However, tomorrow's CPI, so I want everybody to be careful and maybe not go full port into the market tomorrow because anything can happen, especially when there's huge catalyst behind it. But I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Hope you enjoyed the style despite it not having any video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.